Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel where we will be exploring more information and how maybe information can be derived from data. So we know that we are in business, be it in life, be it in any engagement that we make. At least we need to make sure that we attach value to each and everything that we do. And at some point, we need to make sure that we make assessment for us to understand whatever we are doing, what are we engaging in, and what is the effect or impact, and in regards to where we are destined next. So welcome to the point, data analysis or data science. So it might be somehow confusing to get some information about data science and data analysis. But what we can say is that data science is the umbrella, having data analysis being a section of it. So when we talk about data analysis, it is now the procedure that we are taking to derive valuable information from data. So what are now the steps that we are required to undertake? When we talk about data analysis, the core is data. So we have some steps which we are starting with data sources. And we know that for us to get data sources, we need to have understood the problem. The problem will guide which sections are we going to focus in terms of collecting the data. So let me give in a simplified fashion where I will be talking about the first step being problem statement. Under problem statement, other people might be indicating it as ask, being ask the stakeholders what the challenge they are facing and what are their expectations. So that one is covered under a problem statement. Step 1. We can go to step 2, and under step 2, we can talk about data collection. Having understood the requirements of the stakeholders and the challenge, you need to understand what are the information that you need and what are the data probably that will guide you towards achieving that information when transformed. So that part, data collection, is key. Focus on what are the data that you need, and from there, segregate into maybe the sources. Identify the sources and collect the data. Once you have collected data, we can move to step 3. And under step 3, we will be talking about data cleaning. So under data cleaning, we will be getting the data that we have collected, check the format of the data. In that, if we were collecting information about maybe how a certain product is performing, maybe we will be focusing on maybe the regions, maybe we are focusing on the date, and we'll be focusing on the sales. So in that, we know that the sales can be in a certain format, not in character like names. So at some other points when you are collecting data, at some point maybe there is that interchange between the name and the sales value. So there you need to make sure that you go through your data, make sure that you fix. If you have wrong formats, make sure that you handle the wrong formats. And once that one has been handled, you can just check other like null values So also you need to understand how can you treat the null values. Is there a replacement that you need to replace with, like now in terms of cells, or you will be replacing with an average value? So that one you need to get it right based on the information that you have and based on the volume of data that you have. Because you might find that in some other situations, if you say that you are dropping records which have null values, you might end up having data less than the required to give the feasibility. So that one is item number 3. So after now cleaning the data, just come now to the item number 4, which is now the we can call it data analysis and exploration. Trying now to get meaningful information from the data that we have. So if maybe we want to get information about maybe the cells per region, so those are the things that we need to make sure that we get the right visualization tool that can give us the exact information that we need. So we can say that might signify the end because we have achieved what we wanted. We have already gotten the visualization that we need, and the next step now might be that we need to make sure that we share the information. So those ones come as part of the deliberation. That one we can just sum under that item number 4. So, but in terms of data analysis, we can still go further to item number 5, which is now data modeling. Because already we have found how maybe we will be in a position to achieve a certain information given a certain data parameters, we can model. And from there, it means that we will be in a position to automate the processes comes other times. So that one can lead us to the next item, which is now item number 5, data modeling. So from there, we can say that one we are done. So we have another addition, which is now item number 6, which is optimization. So optimization, we are trying to optimize the model to give us more value. If we trick some field slightly, how will it have impact on maybe the general output? So those are the things that we focus much when we talk about maybe data handling. So, and I know that this is the focus of each and every individual or each and every organization. When we are in business, we are talking about data. Without data, there is no business. So if you want to get value for your investment, get the right data, get the right information, get feasibility of every operation that you undertake. That one will guide you on the direction that you are moving in, and that one will give you the power that you need. So analyze the data, have power against your competitors, have motion in the right direction and with the right power. So here we are to make sure that we give you any assistance that you need. We are committed. Our business is data. Our business is operation. So contact us for consultancy and any information that you might need. We can say that power is in information. Let's all work together. We are here to assist you achieve all your goals and missions. Get in touch with us for any comment. Just comment or reach us through the email shared at the end. So be with all stakeholders, contact the right consultants, and have direction. Welcome for